Hello guys, I'm mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to draw this sketch sample, and we will draw these lines and we will apply the relations and dimensions, and we will make our sketch fully defined. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your comments. Let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here I have the SolidWorks open. For creating a new part, just click on new part, okay? And now we have a new part. For drawing the sketch, we have to choose a plane, and in SolidWorks we have three standard plane: front plane, top plane, or right plane, or we can create plane. I will tell you what's the use of these planes, but for now just click on the front plane and choose a sketch. Now we have open a sketch, here a sketch. First thing first, we have to start drawing our sketch with the origin point. So here I have to draw a vertical line, so I choose the line, and you can see when I get close to the origin point, an orange point here appears. It means that if I click this orange point, my line will be connected to the origin point. And you can see as I move the line, a yellow symbol here appears. It means that if I click on the screen, the vertical relation will be applied to my line. Now we have a horizontal line, and a line here, and line here, and a horizontal line here, and you have to connect this line to the origin point. Yes, select to right click, select to exit the tool. Here now we have to apply the dimensions. If you can't see the dimensions or the relations here, in hide and show items, you can turn on or turn off the view sketch relation or the dimensions. So let's keep drawing the sketch. Here I choose a smart dimension, and the dimension of this line is 10 millimeter, and the dimension of this point to the point here is 10 millimeter, and the dimension from this point to the point here must be 60 millimeter, and the dimension, so you can see as I apply the dimensions, the lines here are turning to black. It means that my sketch is becoming fully defined, but it's not still fully defined because of these blue lines. When all of the lines are black, it means that our sketch is full defined and it is fixed. But you can see the sketch is still blue and it is still moving. So let's keep drawing our sketch. Here the dimension from this point to the point here is 45 millimeter. So you can see the dimensions here. Please follow along me and do whatever I do on this video. So the dimension from this point to the point here is 35 millimeter, and the dimension from this point to the point here is 50 millimeter, and the dimension from this point to this point is 30 millimeter. So you can see the lines are turning to black, and this line is equal to this line, and they both have the same dimension. So what we have to do is to apply the equal relation. So for doing that, you can just hold the control button and choose this line and the line here, and in add relation, equal relation, and they have now both same dimension. So you can see the equal the equal relation, the green symbol here. Choose a smart dimension. The dimension from this point to the we have to move our sketch a little bit. Now it's much better, so it has a better view now. The dimension from this point to the point here is minus 20 millimeter. Yes, that's okay now. So this point must be this side of the sketch, the point here. So this is the reason why I have put the minus in the dimension. So now we have to apply the dimension of this point to the point here is 30 millimeter. And the dimension, so here we have a extra dimension. This this one. So um, this is not perpendicular to this line, so this point must be vertical to this point. So hold the control button and choose these 2 points and give it vertical relation. And what do we have now? The dimension from this point to the point here is 20 meters. Yes, that's okay. You can see all the lines are black and our sketch is full defined, and um, I can't move my sketch. Now we have a perfect sketch and it is full defined. Please practice at home and do it yourself. I hope that you followed along me and you did it with me. Please watch my other videos, and I have uploaded over 30 videos on my YouTube channel about drawing a sketch. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments.